Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to know if a receiver read your email in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you need confirmation that important messages have been seen, whether you're following up on business proposals or making sure critical information was received. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load your inbox and sync all your messages. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date version of your email client. Once your email has been loaded, to know if a receiver read your email in Microsoft Outlook, you'll need to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This button opens up a fresh composition window where you'll draft your message and configure the settings we need. From the email composition screen, look at the top part of the menu where you'll see several tabs. Click on Options. This tab contains various features that control how your email behaves once it's sent. From here, simply toggle the Request a Read Receipt option before sending your email. Enabling this will give you a notification email whenever the recipient reads your email. It's important to note that read receipts are a voluntary action. The recipient has to confirm first if they want to notify you with your read receipt request. Some email clients automatically decline these requests, so don't be surprised if you don't receive a receipt from every person you email. After you've toggled this option on, compose your email as you normally would, add your recipient, write your subject line and message, then hit send. Once the recipient opens your email and agrees to send the read receipt, you'll receive a notification message in your inbox confirming they've read it. This gives you peace of mind and helps you track important communications without having to follow up blindly. And that's it. You now know how to track whether your emails have been read in Microsoft Outlook using read receipts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.